so busy.
I want some new clothes, but looks like she's too busy. I got it! I'm bored. I've already spun everything round in my house.
Breaking news.
Huh?
What's the triplets' new invention? Today, we are making Kurio's dream come true. What is his wish?
Can you make something to help the busy crab lady? Pecan! Baby! Mogu mogu. Boo boo boo!
It's the wave sewing machine. No needle needed. A wave zips across the fabric and sews it together. Making clothes this fast feels like a dream. It has a heart, so please be gentle with it.
I can buy a new sofa. I'll pretend to be Maron-chan and trick her. Perfect. Crab lady, please make me some new clothes.
One at a time. One at a time.
I don't need to wait my turn. Got it! My pants ripped. Huh? Where did the crab lady go?
My sewing machine. Kucchanel took it.
Oh no! Let's try one. Ooh, it looks fancy. New sofa, here I come. Socks, toss. Stuffed toy, toss, toss, toss. I'm a genius. Anything and everything. Toss, toss, toss. And this too. Toss. What's wrong? Is it broken? Help me! I just wanted a new sofa. Everything it swallowed turned striped. What's that?
Oh, that's my sewing machine.
Don't say I didn't warn you. Huh? Mara needs help. Pan, Sue, Maru, me. Leave it to me. Hey, stop! Got you. I'm getting dizzy.
Hey, get back here.
I can't stop. Please get out of the way. Crab lady, are you okay? Leave it to me. All right. I got Kucchanel out, but the machine is still broken. What do I do?
Take out the things that don't belong in the machine.
I'll get it. You can do it. No thanks needed.
My sewing machine is broken. I want to help you. The machine wasn't broken. It brought you into the world. I'm so happy.
So that's what she meant when she said it has a heart.
I think you're a... What? I look... What? Wow! A lemon! Ah! Time's up!
Kids who found the pants, the rest is up to you. The t-shirt is back to normal. The dress is back to normal. And Kucchanel's clothes were striped from the start. Please line up.
Fine. I'll wait in line.
No cutting in line. Get to the back.
After you.
Huh?
What's this line? It's so long. Thanks for watching till the end. Bye-bye. See you again.